And we have now the launcher ready on the pad.
And there she is standing tall, looking very beautiful. 1 minute and 30 seconds to launch, Samuel. It's always a bit of a kind of an intense moment at this point, isn't it?
Yeah, intense is the right word. We can feel it. It's also full of concentration. All the teams are focused on their task towards the launch, but very professional because they have done this many times.
À tous le DDO, attention pour -1 minute. Top H0 -1 minute.
And we are 1 minute to launch. We're live at the European Spaceport in French Guiana, getting ready for the launch of Sentinel-1C for Europe. Good luck, everyone.
Good luck.
À tous de DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Picasso décollage. La propulsion est nominale. La trajectoire est nominale.
Le pilotage est calme.
Acquisition de Saint-Jean.
Acquisition Saint-Jean.
Sentinel-1C and Vega-C are on their way.
Les
Blazing
paramètres à bord sont normaux.
a trail across the equatorial skies. We're hearing there that
La
everything's going
propulsion
according
est
to plan,
nominale.
and the propulsion is normal. We're hearing the rumble here in our commentary box about 15
impressive.
kilometers away. As it flies over, it takes a while for the sound to
Le
get to
pilotage
us.
est calme, la trajectoire est nominale.
He's telling us that everything is going according to plan.
Nice views.
Burning the P120 upper first stage here, yeah, lovely views.
Le pilotage est calme, la trajectoire est nominale.
Everything's going well. Looking there at the
Tous
engine.
les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
Looking there at the engine on the P21 stage.
Exactly.
The P120 stage.
First stage, yeah, which should be burning for a bit more than 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And everything is going the right way.
Got our cameras there really capturing some fantastic images. Very lucky with the weather because it was raining this morning and very, very cloudy. So the clouds parted for us and we can see these wonderful shots.
Very lucky, yeah.
Coming up, the next event will be the separation of the P120. That's what it looks like.
Séparation P120.
And we have confirmation there that
Allumage Z40.
the second stage has switched on, the Z40,
La propulsion est nominale.
and the propulsion's nominal.
Yeah, and Zefiro 40, so Z stands for an Italian wind, type of wind, Zefiro, and 40, it's meaning the amount of propellant, the mass of propellant inside the stage.
La trajectoire est nominale.
So Zefiro 40 tons.
All going well. And Vega-C, our rocket today, is an
Le pilotage
upgraded,
est calme, la propulsion est nominale.
everything nominal. An upgraded version of Vega, isn't it?
Yeah, true. There were several improvements with respect to Vega, the little sister. There are two main ones for our customers. First is the improvement of the performance, so the amount of mass of satellite that you can put in a given point in space. And it was increased on
Le
Vega-C.
pilotage est calme, les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
It was increased on Vega-C by 70%. So this is quite massive and interesting. Second point is the size of the satellite. The fairing, the cover on top of the launcher, was doubled in volume as compared to Vega. So this enables to put much larger satellites in there and put them in the same point in space. So another big change, big evolution, which is interesting for our customers.
And we've got a good shot there of the fairing, we call it. It's that sort of bulbous section at the front of the rocket which is encapsulating the satellite. The next event, when we do get to lose that, we won't need it anymore because, of course, we won't have the friction. But let's just quickly run people through what we're looking at the top of the screen, Samuel, because we've got our curve on the left-hand side. The green line is the projected planned route?
The plan for this flight. So it's the projected altitude along the distance, and the green curve is the plan, which the rocket has to follow, and then the yellow cross is the actual position of the rocket. So as you see, we are perfectly on track.
And if you look on the right of that, you can see that we're already travelling at nearly 4.5 kilometres per second. Everybody, per second. It's incredibly fast.
Séparation Z40.
And we have confirmation there that we've now separated the Z40.
Exactly.
Allumage Z9.
And we have switched on the Z9
Propulsion nominale.
engine, and the propulsion is all going normally. Next up will be separation of the fairing.
Exactly. Because we don't need it anymore as we are out of the atmosphere.
And look how
Séparation coiffe.
it falls away. It's all very perfectly planned, and we have the confirmation of that, so that's
La
great news.
propulsion est nominale, la trajectoire est nominale.
All going well. We can see our satellite for the first time. What are we looking at here?
Yeah, indeed, we can see. So on the right, you can see the Sentinel-1C satellite with, of course, its solar panels on the side, folded for launch. And top, you can see the radar, which is folded as well. It's attached on a conical
Tous les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
on a black cone, which is the launcher adapter, itself attached to a white ring, which is the upper stage A1 Plus. And the last part of the launcher is, of course, the Zephyr 9 stage, which is currently firing, as you can see.